Welcome to another episode and video on my driving robot discovery with the TXT controller from Fischertechnik, running embedded Linux and programmed in online mode using Python, with two touch sensors on front as well as active sonar, camera for USB, USB camera for OpenCV, and a propeller that runs as long as the algorithm runs. Lately I have had some big problems using OpenCV, more in particular for the HSV hue saturation and value color space to detect these objects, and it turned out that the values were not exactly accurate. Apart from that, the controller went power off as well. So let's see and hope if everything goes according to plan this time. And that also goes for the speed. It has a problem with that, standing still, running like a devil, or taking small steps. So let's now see whatever happens. This is one of the issues, of course, again. Let's see if this is working nicely. So far, so good, more or less. Let me put these a little bit further. And hopefully things may go right. Okay, now I have to select the common interface, standard interface, which is now the case. So I can try to log on. Let's do that. I'm in. And I also have to do another networking test, but that comes later. Anyway, first thing to do is making a free file from last time, and I mean image file from last time, go away. Takes the image away, result files away, and again the small typos make it difficult to do that. Now it seems to be okay. Next thing is setting the date. And today is 17. And time is 14:06. Password I've discovered is the same password as for the SSH. So now everything is set and done. Let's run something. Oh no, I can't run something because I first have to check the OpenCV. So I have to go to the software first. Alright, so this is removing remains of the last time. This is setting the date. Here I have to avoid any complications with accidentally removing open the whole image, the whole algorithm. Now I wanted to do this so you could on the actual film camera see how it moves, but I need to set this because this is not correct, and if I remember well I have to put it to 80. That is how it should be done. And let's see if I can get the correct one immediately. No, that's not the one. So I have to check first which one to take. And of course I have exactly the wrong website here, so I can't do that. Alright. Anyway, I'm going to try this, and another point is with the other robot I already did, and the results are not strictly positive, I'm afraid. Let's run this on some 50 centimeters distance, give or take. And here we have at least the fan running. That's one. Also one. And I need a totally different digit in the end. And there we stop again. So let's see whatever happens now. Oh, I forgot to remove these images. Oh, how bad. First these, and then the resulting images. Okay. Yeah, there are no more left. How many are there? 6. They with one. Oh, yeah. With one or two exceptions, they end on 0. But what I'm interested about is how this functions. How does this work? So let's take this one first. Oh wait, this goes wrong. I need an ampersand in the end. Now I can do the resulting image. This is not the image that I had hoped for. No. Because this should have been red by now. So what I'm going to do again is activating the other robot and compare it to this one. Which values did I use? Alright, so now I'm into the other to the other controller, which had, of course, a network error, so I had to reboot it. Now into the code and see whichever values are in there. See, and that is different because not only is this 8080, which is correct, but the other one is 0. So yeah, for this very quick comparison, it's alright. I'll keep this open and I'll write this. So now I can make another one. Hopefully the battery isn't oh wait, this one has the network error. Oh, so this was actually the walking robot, which usually doesn't have a network error. This one does. So that doesn't promise much. Now we go. What is this? Okay, 39. Let's go with that. So, no, other way. 14, 19, go. Aha, this is different. How about the image? Okay, that is just very slightly different than this one, but this is what I needed to know. Everything else is black except for what is supposed to be red. So now let's run it again. And please, no connection error. Yeah, there is a connection error. Broken pipe. Okay, hold on. I need to check the battery voltage. It has 35 centimeters, 8,6 volts. Okay. Right. 35 centimeters still. No, 31. That's good. 30. Even better. Right, this is what I like. 23. But it probably measures this distance instead of this distance. Anyway, I am getting better values hopefully. So now I am slowly getting there, and I hope for nice images here. Now it probably doesn't even recognize these these objects anymore. It goes straight to this large object. So from now on, all images will be black. Yep, and that's the end of the algorithm. So Look at this, very nice. And it's been going on since (1421). Okay, here it starts at 1421.23. This is the first one, and this is a zero image. So I can forget about the zero image, because I already have one. So next one, 21, 23 something, and then 30. That's a 1. Right. Let me check the voltage, which is very important for now. 8.6, I can go, as long as it doesn't go below 8, I'm fine. Okay, this should be result. Red, red, kind of red. Next, 37 is 35, that's good. No, it's 14. This one, 37, yep. Yep, that's closer. Slightly different, it's blacker here, there's more black in here now. Okay, next one is 44. 21, 44. Oh, that's a 1 again. I don't need a 1, I need a bigger one. 52 is 30. Okay, it is distinguishable now, but also outlines and more red, so it is not really consistent. Here it has spots and here more dots. Okay, next, 25 is 59. Coming very close now. More red. Next, 59 is more than it gets, so we go to 22, which is 13, 22, 13. Yep, very close by. No, this one. How much red is the big question. Ooh, that isn't much. I would expect now that this was all red, but it is not. and then 122, yeah, either of them, because it's all 131 actually. So let's say the 20 to 21, I don't care. Yeah, still a bit closer. Well, one thing is that I can't say I'm very convinced. No, I'm not very convinced. It needs to be better. Way better. Okay, how much has this taken from the battery? 8.62. Okay, no point. Back in the original position and go. Right, now I have put the objects next to each other so it doesn't or should not detect the other object, the big one. It should see all red. So from this timestamp on, and let's verify. Yep, it should be alright. But is it? Okay, timestamp 1432 then. Go. And not like this, please. Oh, this has still timestamp 1431. Not 1432. Go. Series 1. I want to see it drive. Whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa. Why did that happen? But I can, of course, test it. The last one is 3910, which is 10 centimeters. Give me an opportunity to watch what it's like. Oh, I don't expect much. Yeah, result image is black. Although it should not be black, but because it has red in it. And there is indeed no resulting image made. So I need to go back to 3232. 1, which is a lot further away. And that in just a mere second, actually. Wait a second. What's the difference? Oh yeah, 7 seconds difference. Oh, I did not expect this one. Oops. See? No red. And the objective is that it detects red, distinguishes it, making use of this algorithm, specifically this HSV algorithm, and then being able to correct its course if it deviates from it. But when I see this specific image, well, this one, which is the HSV color space, corrected, there's no way it's going to be corrected. That's a big ouch. And another thing is that now I have, say, for two behaviors on the same algorithm. One is step by step, say 4 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 4 centimeters, etc. And from right here in one go, like it is now. So this is not quite as I envision. This is more like a bull and a red flag. Yeah, right. Not really what I intend to do. But how to solve it? That's a very good question and I have no answer yet. Also, time is running out again. Right, so with this, with these two results, actually, it is the end of this episode. Results are quite confusing, not what I expect. Like I said, first step by step, but then in one go, and why? Also, the new HSV values are not exactly an improvement. It is better, yes, but can I use it? I doubt it. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Give it thumbs up. Leave a comment or suggestion if you know something or whatever. You can also follow me on Twitter. Please retweet, like and leave a comment. You can also follow me on Instagram. Please like and leave a comment. You can show your support by making a small donation via PayPal or Wyatt. And you can also choose to become a patron and have your name mentioned. More information under this video with website, social media tags and donation information. See my website for everything else, and this is of course going to be continued. So for now, thank you for watching and bye bye.